Buckle up, DIY car enthusiasts. We're kicking off the countdown to the best soldering iron picks that will upgrade your wiring and circuit board projects. Today, I'm going to be going over the best soldering iron that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Soldering Iron Kit. Sentry earns a spot for its versatile tip assortment and user-friendly temperature control, designed to grow with you from casual tinkering to more demanding repairs. Kit ships with several tips, from fine conical to broader chisel types, so you can tackle solder joints on fiddly IC legs or thicker leaded wires without swapping tools. Reliable heater reaches roughly 200–450 degrees C with fast heat up and stable hold, which minimizes cold joints. The included stand keeps tips upright and away from heat, while the sponge helps keep the tip clean for longer life. An ergonomic, lightweight handle reduces fatigue during long sessions. Safety features include overload protection and a simple power switch. Compared to the soldering iron kit, which I have included as number 9 on this list, this package adds more tips and a wider working range that helps you dial in precise heat for different solders and boards. At number 9, we have Soldering Iron Kit. This digital mini-kit emphasizes precision and portability. It features a digital temperature readout that shows set and actual temps, a compact iron body, and a quick heating element that covers roughly 200–480 degrees C. Included are multiple tips, a small stand, and a protective cap to keep components safe between jobs. A built-in thermal sensor helps prevent overheating during long sessions, and a low-profile switch keeps you in control. Kit is ideal when you need fine control for small components and rework. Compared to the 100W soldering iron kit, which I have included as number 8 on this list, this model prioritizes precision and form factor over raw heat, making it easier to manage in tight spaces. At number 8, we have 100W soldering iron kit. With its high power output and ceramic heating element, this kit is built for serious heat and reliability. The 100W iron reaches higher temps quickly and maintains consistent heat through large joints and thick traces, reducing cold joints on stubborn leads. Robust tip set and a straightforward thermostat let you dial in comfort while you work on chassis wiring, thick joints, or heavy copper. The unit typically includes a broad selection of tips, a sturdy stand, and a silicone cable strain relief for extended sessions. While it lacks some of the microcontrol features of smaller stations, its raw heat makes it indispensable for tasks that demand brute force. Compared to the soldering kit, which I have included as number 7 on this list, this model emphasizes power over ultrafine control, trading nimble handling for rapid heat. At number 7, we have Soldering Kit. This kit is a compact entry designed for beginners and quick fixes around the home and workshop. It offers a reliable base iron, a few essential tips, and a modest temperature range that suits common electronics work, from LED boards to small connectors. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight reduce strain, while a basic stand and cleaning sponge are included to promote longevity of the tips. The safety features, typically overload protection and auto-off in some bundles, add peace of mind for new users. Compared to the YIHUA 926 III soldering station, which I have included as number 6 on this list, this kit trades advanced control for simplicity and portability, which helps learners gain confidence before moving up. At number 6, we have YIHUA 926 III soldering station. YIHUA's 926 III delivers a stable, adjustable temperature platform with a bright digital display showing set and actual temps, plus a precise iron with a fast heat response. The station supports a wide range, roughly 200–480 degrees C, so you can switch between small SMD work and heavier joints without swapping tools. It often includes a calibration mode, a built-in cleaning sponge, and tip-saving features like standby temperature maintenance. The ergonomic handpiece stays cool to touch, and the unit may offer auto-sleep to conserve energy after idle periods. Compared to the 60W soldering iron kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the YIHUA station adds numerical control, steadier heat, and better consistency for long sessions. At number 5, we have 60W soldering iron kit. 60W iron kit is a pragmatic workhorse for hobbyists and light-duty maintenance. It heats reliably, accepts common tips, and provides a comfortable balance between speed and control. Included tips cover broad and detail work, while a basic stand and sponge help sustain tip life. Temperature control is usually simple and sufficient for leaded and lead-free solder with standard cores. Kit's affordability makes it a popular first upgrade from a basic iron. Compared to the WP 926 LED V3 soldering station, which I have included as number 4 on this list. This kit emphasizes low cost and portability over constant digital feedback and ultra-stable temperatures, which the station offers. At number 4, we have WP926 LED V3 Soldering Station. This station pairs a compact footprint with a vivid LED display that tracks set and actual temperature in real time. The 926 LED V3 often uses a ceramic heater for quick heat up, a crisp tip function, and a stable hold at mid-range temps. Included stand and sponge keep the tip clean, and the ergonomic handpiece remains comfortable across long sessions. Quick heat response and auto-sleep help with efficiency, while the adjustable temperature range covers typical electronics work from 150 degrees C to around 450 degrees C. Compared to the Soldering Premium Kit, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the WP station emphasizes digital feedback and a tidy workstation over premium, larger tip collections. At number 3, we have Soldering Premium Kit. This premium kit combines a ceramic heater with a broad range of precision tips, flux, and a sturdy stand, delivering consistent heat across delicate chessboard density boards and fine pitch components. Build quality includes heat-resistant cables, a reliable switch, and a metal case to protect the tools. The temperature range and fast heat up foster clean joints with minimal risk of lift, while the included auxiliary items like high-quality desoldering tools and desiccant packs expand the kit's usefulness. It's designed for serious hobbyists and light professional work, offering long-term reliability. Compared to the Fantic Tone Max Soldering Iron Kit, which I have included as number 2 on this list, this premium ensemble prioritizes solid control and a broad toolset over portability alone. At number 2, we have Fantic Tone Max Soldering Iron Kit. This versatile kit blends a cordless, rechargeable design with a heat range around 390 degrees F, 200 degrees C, up to 840 degrees F, 450 degrees C. Tight form factor and USB-C charging keep it useful for field repairs or quick on-desk touch-ups when power outlets are scarce. The Tone Max tends to ship with compact tips that slip into tight spaces, plus a foldable stand and protective accessories. Its warm-up time and battery life let you tackle small electronics well enough for hobbyists. Compared to the Weller Digital Soldering Station, which I have included as number 1 on this list, this kit trades steady, analog control for portability and flexibility in places without mains power. At number 1, we have Weller Digital Soldering Station. This is a pro-grade station built for accuracy and endurance. A large, bright digital display mirrors set temperature and actual temperature for intuitive control, while a clean, stable air of reliability keeps joints precise across long sessions. The iron heats quickly, maintains a stable hold, and includes a built-in standby so you don't waste time rewarming. A robust power supply, durable cables, and a broad tip library make it ideal for delicate PCBs and dense components. Ergonomic handle stays cool, and the station's overall reliability shines during long production runs. Compared to the Fantic Tone Max Soldering Iron Kit, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Weller unit emphasizes precision, consistency, and uninterrupted power for professional workflows.